Apple introduced something we've been waiting for years.
Have one more thing.
And that is the Apple Mixed Reality Headset, which Apple calls the Vision Pro.
Technology giant unveils Vision Pro.
A spectacular headset.
Their most ambitious product to date.
So I know there's a lot of controversy right there about this new product, but in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why the Apple Vision Pro will succeed. So number 1 is that this product is made by Apple, one of the biggest and most influential companies in the world. One of the big advantages of Apple is that they have this whole ecosystem which is ready to be used and ready to implement new products. Besides that, Apple has this amazing ecosystem ready to be used. Also, their marketing is really on point. We've seen it in the keynote itself. The way Apple presented the Vision Pro was absolutely mind-blowing. They showed these different use cases, which we're going to talk about in the next point, but how they communicated and how they brought this product was really from another level. Compared to the competitors, this is just a whole other game, and Apple is doing this really well. Second is that this product offers a wide variety of use cases. So they actually did this with the Apple Watch as well. They just throw it out in the open and they just looked where people were using this product mostly for, and that's exactly what I think will happen with the Vision Pro as well. Apple introduced so many different use cases, like watching movies, to work, watching sports events. I think right now we're just at the beginning and the shape of this product is still unclear. That's why Apple also introduced a bunch of developers tools which will allow developers to just create tons of new applications for this, and then us, the consumer, we will eventually decide which use case we're going to use the Vision Pro for. 3 is again about the use cases, but more specifically the fact that this product will replace your Mac and also will replace an entire entertainment system. Let's just talk about the fact that this product is going to replace the Mac. Like a MacBook right now on average will cost you, I don't know, $1,500, $2,000. Well, this product basically has all the power you need, and the biggest plus is that there are no physical limitations anymore. If you want this huge big screen, this Mac screen in front of you, you can do that. You need 8 different screen sizes in front of you, you can do that. There are no physical limitations anymore. And then the second point in this category is the fact that this product can completely change your whole cinema or entertainment experience. As Apple showed, you can just make this experience however you'd like. You want to change the environment in which you're watching the movie, you can do that. You want to have a huge cinema screen in front of you, you need any additional details about the movie you're watching right now, just ask for that. This is going to change the whole landscape of cinemas. It will have an impact on the sales of cinemas in the end. However, one of the biggest downsides right now to this is that you're still really isolated. You only have like one Vision Pro in front of you and people around you aren't really part of your experience. But I believe Apple is already working on a bunch of new features which allows you to basically watch movies like you're in a cinema together. 4 is about the fact that we need to realize that this is the first generation of this product. Yes, it's huge. Yes, it's chunky. Yes, we have an external battery that we need to carry with us around, which only gives us 2 hours of battery life. But this is just the first generation of this product. And in time, I believe eventually this product will have the size of your glasses, which will allow you to wear it everywhere, anytime, whenever you want. And knowing this fact will completely change the use case of this product in the end as well. It's something very hard to predict, but I'm certain that we will go to a future where everything we do is just integrated into one small little piece of technology, like for example, glass. And I believe the Apple Vision Pro is just the start of this. Number 5 is about the price. $3,500. That is what we saw when Apple introduced the Vision Pro, and the reactions were expected.
Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499.
but we need to look at what we get for this price. Basically, we're getting a full Mac on our head, an M2 chip, an R1 chip, Apple Pro Display XDR in our head. If you would calculate this would come over like $5,000. Also, we shouldn't forget that there are a bunch of sensors and cameras integrated in the Vision Pro. So yeah, it's important that we need to put things into perspective. However, I totally agree that $3,500 is still a lot for many of us. I believe eventually the price will go down to maybe around $2,000. I'm also convinced that Apple is going to introduce different models, different tiers. For example, Vision Pro Ultra or Vision Ultra, and also an Apple Vision SE or just Apple Vision, which all have their different price points and will target different segments of the market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. Also subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.